Come and join me at an in-house workshop this summer in London. Hi, I'm Roseanna from Moara Crochet, and I am so excited to tell you that this year I'm coming back to the UK. I'm going to be doing an in-house crochet workshop in London at Loops of London. When is this going to happen? It is going to be on Saturday, the 2nd of August, and there is going to be one workshop which is going to go from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And what are we going to do in this workshop? I am going to share with you how you can make your own crochet heirloom quilt, just like this one here. And I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks on how you can create your own motifs, how to connect them, how to make a half and half granny square, how to connect them seamlessly, and how to create your own designs. So this is just one design that you could do. As you can see, I've done a plain star here, then I've done like a pinwheel star here. I'm going to show you how you can use your squares and create many different designs in one session. For this workshop, you are going to need just some yarn and a matching crochet hook. You can use any yarn you have, bring it with you, and Loop is also going to provide some sample yarns for you to test and try during the workshop. But this is a perfect excuse to use all those special balls of yarns that you have collected over the years that you couldn't bear to use, you couldn't bear to throw away, and you keep these little balls of yarns. So I'm going to show you how you can use your tiny little scraps and precious balls which have stories and history and transform them into an heirloom quilt that you will love and treasure for years. This is also the perfect opportunity to use your advent yarns. So if you would like to come and join me for an in-house crochet workshop, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can access all the details and how you can book. Okay, I'm going to leave this video short and sweet, and I hope to see you in London. Bye!